So,
That one isn't that
okay,
bad. This is
so I want,
Yeah, that's the one that's like, push the start button to exit the program. But then VT123 actually shows you like logic gates and
yeah.
like how to use this and or whatever.
okay, so I just wanted to talk about some stuff. One of the things you're going to find is that you're going to have data that you want to put in a format that you can join in ArcGIS, right? So we talked about that a little bit the other day, that I found that attribute table and I could join it. And there's lots of ways to do that. So we're going to do a little bit of this every week. This week we're going to work in Excel. Next week or the week after, we'll do some text files, which could be brought into Excel and then worked with. So kind of powerful ways to do that. But a couple things to think about when you have an attribute table. ArcGIS cannot deal with a comma in the cell. That will blow it up. So you need to go up here and format that cell to a number with no commas. Okay, so that helps that. And -9, -99, -999 tends to stand for no data. There's no information available. And so that's a perfectly valid format. So let's say that I want to do a couple things with this data and so that I can join it. I want just the state name. Right now I can't join anything that I have because it's got this Alabama, United States, right? So I just need Alabama, and then I need Alaska in that cell by itself. So because it's only 51 records, I could do that, right? I mean, that would be doable. But if it were counties, how many counties are there? 30-some hundred? And so if I had to have every county with a state name after it, it would take me forever to do that, and I would make a lot of errors. I mean, it would be a mess. So in Excel, I searched for, I Googled, how do I keep the first word in a cell, right? That's just what I Googled. And this is what I got. It said, okay, if you want there's so much information out there. If you want the first word in the cell, this is what you type. I want left, so starting from the left in this cell, I want it to find all the way up to that comma, right? And just give me that. And so what this does, so I'm going to copy this in here. I'm going to copy it in here, and it pops in Alabama. So what it's saying is, starting at the left-hand side of the cell in A2, keep looking until you find this comma and then stop, right? And then go back one step because I don't want the space in there, right? And I didn't make that. I mean, I just found that, and I tested it, and I tried it, and now I can just drag that down. Boom. Now I've got data that I could actually join, right? And that took me about 5 minutes in Google to find that. The other thing, what if I wanted the name of the country here, right? So there's another formula you could use that is called the right formula. And what this is saying, in A2, start from the right and count back 13 characters and give me those characters. And this works if, or there, what did I do here? Come on. Really? Okay, this works. There it is. I don't know why it's doing that. Did I? No, it's just wrapping. Oh, it's wrapping over there. Okay. So what this says, because United States is exactly the same all the way down, it's the same 13 characters, it's going to work. If I just wanted states, I'd go the last, instead of 13, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I could just take the last 6 characters, and it would give me the word states. That works also if you want the stuff on the right. What if the right were Oregon, comma, and the name of the county, and I wanted the word Oregon? Then I could say right equals and how many characters I want to go. I've used that a lot when I have dates that are June, or they'll say 01, right, dash 02 dash 15 or 13. If I want to separate that out, I can say write first two characters, and it will give me those first two characters. So I'll have a whole column of just the month if I want that. Or if I just want the year, I can say give me the last two characters, and it'll give me a column of the year. Really,
Equals, right, comma 13.
yeah. So watch what happens when I type that in. If I say equals right, it brings up this function. If I click on this, it tells me kind of what I want, right? It says, oh, give me the text cell, so I'm going to go Alabama, and how many characters? I'm going to just get the last two characters, or the last character of that word. Oh, there must be a space in the word Alabama. Dang it. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. So there is a lot you can do with this to really make data usable. Okay. So I have a thing on Moodle. So now that I've done that, okay, if I take this into ArcGIS just like it is, ArcGIS is going to read the formula, not the words in the text. Okay? And it's going to say, oh, no, there's no match. All I see is left A2. That's not Alabama. So what I have to do when I'm done is copy everything, go to the next cell, and under Paste Special, choose Values. And it gives me the value but not the formula. So now I have an attribute table that I could use to join. Okay? So there's two other things that I want you to repeat what I just did. I have an exercise for you. And then I want you to figure out how to change that cell to all caps, and how to change the cell so that the first letter is uppercase and the rest are not uppercase. Okay? And then submit that. You guys will use this a lot, I think, in your lives. It's pretty important. So when you took the Business Excel, did they talk about this stuff?
They didn't talk about the left or right formulas, but they tell you how to use like the absolute reference and make sure it all works.
Okay. Yeah. But being able to get the formulas in here are really useful. So there's the Excel that I just showed you. There's the little Word document. And when you're done, just upload it into there.
Is that before we do today?
Nope. That's just, it won't take you that long. But I just want you to really kind of know how to do that. And then I would keep I keep a list of Excel codes, because I run into stuff and I hate having to look it up because I don't remember it every time. So, yeah. Okay. Nice.